What's going on with that YouTube, man? Your boy with this mug. We back. I said we gonna be back. We gonna be uploading some videos over here, man. So you probably came over here from Instagram because I posted it on my story because y'all was looking for that full trade recap. So man, don't be shy, man. Y'all support your boy on that gram. Support your boy on that book too, man. We been on here, man. I'm telling y'all, bro. The sauce that I'm finna be giving y'all on these trades, the sauce I'm just finna be giving y'all in general, man, is value. And all this stuff, 100% free. It don't cost nothing to support, bro. But let's get to this trade, man. Let's get to talking about this money, man. This video won't be too long because my strategy is so simple that I can break down anything in less than 2 minutes, 1 minute, especially when it's talking about a trade. So I won't be biting y'all ears off the whole time, like on some what's that dude? That bit that dude on some Mike Tyson shit. You feel me? We ain't finna be on no Mike Tyson shit on this video. But let's get right to it. All right, man. So yeah, we're looking at this chart, man. So this was my framework for this trade right here. So the daily is still bearish. The daily is still bearish, as you can see. So we had some good confirmation that on this trade for us to initially be looking for some shorts. But today we didn't take shorts. We took longs. And I'm gonna get ready to tell you exactly why I took a long starting from the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we had a breaker structure here, and we also had a breaker structure here. So we had two breaker structures on the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame telling me that we bearish as well. So we got correlation from the daily chart and we got correlation from the 4-hour chart. So this already strong trend that we need to be looking for sales. But remember, guys, I took a loan. But let me tell you exactly why I took this loan. So this is what I noticed on the 4-hour chart. Because if price action was really going to stay bearish, we were supposed to instantly start rejecting from this zone. We weren't supposed to fill this zone the way it did. So if we did we was gonna be able to fill this zone and start rejecting back, price would at least created a 4-hour wick. Remember, guys, it's a 4-hour bullish candle. So if it's a 4-hour bullish candle, that's strong buying price action. So if price was bearish, it would have came up to this zone right here. It maybe would have filled the consequent encroachment, and even in some different cases, it would have filled the whole entire gap, and it still would have wicked down. But in this case, we buy the close above the fair value gap. So if we buy the closing above or opposing fair value gap that doesn't correlate with the trend, you need to be looking at different scenarios in the market, because price action is clearly telling you something now, because we invalidated this fair value gap by closing a body over it instead of wicking the zone. So now let's get to the 1-hour time frame. So once I went to the 1-hour time frame here, I noticed that we had a minor breaker structure here on the 1-hour time frame. Can y'all see that? Why I got this line there? Y'all see what this candle while I'm hovering it? That's our minor breaker structure. So not only did we have this little breaker structure, we also broke this as well. So we broke resistance, we broke a support and resistance zone, and we broke structure. So this the real breaker structure that I'm looking at. I don't trade support and resistance. I go off just solo out, breaks the structure, change the character and market direction. That is how you need to change on trade the market. But any strategy profitable. I'm just saying, to give you good insights. So also, when we go back to the 4-hour time frame, you notice that we had a 4-hour order block or a 4-hour demand, whatever you want to call it, all in the same boat, all in the same category. Let's go back. Also, we had a 1-minute order block. I mean, a 1-hour order block and a 1-hour demand. You see how price came in, tapped his own, and instantly started rejecting. And if I go to the 30-minute as well, we also had the same thing that's on the 30-minute. So let's go to the 15. So we had like 4-5 confluences that we need to take along here. And also the 15-minute had the same thing as well. Plus on the 15-minute, we swept liquidity. We swept the lows of this. We swept the lows of this order block. And we rejected from the zone. So the zone was still validated. It did not break structure below the zone. You see what I'm trying to get at now? This is a long setup. This is how you identify a long setup. So now I'm gonna go to the 1-minute time frame. This is my entry. You see how we got the instant rejection from that 1-minute time frame? Bam. My entry was right here on the form of this wick. My bad. The form of this wick. That's why I got into this trade. Come on. I ain't looking trying to take no short. I took loans today. Stop playing with me. Yeah. I had like a 38-point stop loss. So whatever 38 points, this was my entry. That was my entry. So whenever my stop loss be 38 points, bam, that's my exact interest right here. 38-point stop loss on this trade, and I end up getting a 1 or 2 risk reward on here. Easy. Easy. Simple. Y'all probably saying, I don't see the trade you took right here on the screen. I'm gonna show you. And no cap in my rap. I took this trade on my instant accounts. I just made a video on Instagram telling people the goodness of instant accounts in general. So right here, I took these on my instant accounts. I don't know if you can see it, but we made 1,000 right there, and I also trade live. So if you looking to trade instant accounts, bro, let me tell you why you need to trade instant accounts and why it's good to trade instant accounts. So if you're gonna trade the instant account, bro, the instant accounts, you do not have to worry about no eval stage. All you doing is just getting straight to the money. Straight to the money. Follow the rules that they give you, and you're gonna be good, bro. Like, it's no excuse. Like, all these rules, people always complain about the rule. I feel like the only people that complain about the rule is the people that's not getting the payouts. The undisciplined traders, the only people that this saying something about the rules. If you profitable, bro, and you know how to trade and you stay disciplined, you gonna get them payouts. Stop being so hyper focused on the rule and just trade, bro. Just trade. Just trade. Why you think all the profitable traders this talking about the rule, they ain't all on social media talking about, man, this consistent rule, that. Why they complain about this consistent rule when they actively getting paid? I'm finna shut my mouth up. I'm getting paid with the standards and the requirements that the prop firm already give me. I don't want to be complaining so they can change something up, because they change something up, that's gonna mess with the formula. So if they make it bad or worse, it's gonna affect. It's gonna affect a profitable trader, because dang, I was getting paid off for them. Now they doing this and that. Now when you making the money, you gonna shut up. So majority of the time, you see all these posts, people complain about what a prop firm doing and how the prop firm treating them. They not the ones getting the payouts. And I'm gonna tell you, this instant account got a 20% consistency rule. I probably like, what is this consistency rule? Yes. And trail and drawdown. Yes. And it got a rule on it where you can't hold your trade for 2 minutes. Longer than 2 minutes. I mean, shorter than 2 minutes. Every trade got to be longer than 2 minutes in order for it to be a valid trade. All those odds was against me on this account, and I still got to pay out, and I still ran it up to almost 10 bands. Those rules don't affect you if you know what you're doing in the market. Either you gonna hit TP or you gonna hit stop loss. Just keep on trading. Just keep on trading. And I ain't trying to sound like I'm like that. But I'm on some goddamn jeering versus Broly versus Weez versus Beard type shit. Like I was jeering, and these my ops. 20% consistency rule, trail and drawdown, and it's a mandatory that you got to hold your trade longer than 2 minutes, or the trade won't be valid. I ran this account up to 12 bands. So what I'm trying to tell you, stop worrying about the rules and just trade, follow your rules, and stay disciplined. Get to touching on the instant accounts. Leave them evals alone. I just challenge you. If you having problems trading the evals, just give it a try. Give it a try, and you're gonna see the mindset shift, and you're gonna see the different person that you are when you trading the instant accounts. Because I talk about this a lot in my videos as well. The reason why majority of people can't pass a eval account is because they put in all their work, all their patience, all their discipline, sitting around, and then the trade lose, or if the trade win, you don't feel nothing from it. You don't feel no dopamine from it. You don't feel no excitement, no joy for yourself. You're not thanking yourself for that discipline that you just did to either make that trade or lose that trade. So guess what that's telling you? You're not getting rewarded for your discipline. So when you put yourself in a situation where you're getting rewarded for your discipline, that's going to incentivize you to stay more disciplined. No, nobody tell you that. That's free game. I told somebody this in my Instagram, and it almost changed his life. I think he changed his life, bro. Like, just that amount of information right there can change your life, especially from a trader that already know how to trade. He just don't know how to stop over trading. The reason you having a problem with over trading is because you're not getting rewarded for your discipline. So you're not incentivized to stop over trading. That's why you want to keep on taking the next trade and the next trade and the next trade. Because you ain't getting nothing from it. You're not getting nothing from it. Let's just be real. Like, why when I trade evals, I don't promote trading evals. I'm not getting nothing from it. I'm not happy about the eval account. I'm out of that stage. It's not. Uh, and just think, what if I pass this eval, run up a bands of an eval? This not gonna change my life. It's not real money. It's fake. The money is when you get past to the eval stage and the instant stage, or you trading your live account. So y'all gotta stop treating these evals. People be glorifying eval trades, just glorifying the eval as well, bro. Whether you win or lose that trade, it's not going to make your life better. So stop glorifying the eval. Stop taking the eval serious. Don't be beating yourself up because you failed the eval. Money is money. Just look at it ROI game. If you fail the eval, just go to the next one. Just stay disciplined, bro. So on my eval trades, man, I'm risking 3 contracts. I'm looking to pass these accounts as quick as possible. I'm not trying to stay on these trades forever, bro. I'm not trying to be trading no eval account forever. And guess what? You don't even gotta trade the evals no more. You can get right to instant. That's what I do. Trade the instant accounts. And watch you get instantly rewarded for your discipline from sitting on your hands. Instantly, like, dang, I just made 1,000. Dang, I just made 3,000. Dang, I just made 5,000. Or even that trader that just made $20. You still got rewarded for your discipline. And that's going to incentivize you to stay disciplined. So I hope there was a lot of value in this video. Like I said, man, I do mentor people. I can't mentor that many people at once though. But like I said, you got it. Because I respect my time. I want to enjoy my time. We got into trading to enjoy freedom. But I do mentor people. I do have 2 more slots left. So if you're looking to get mentored, I will have the link in the bio. Hit me up on Instagram or whatever. And I also, if you're looking to trade the prop firm accounts that I'm using, like I have all the information in my bio as well. So all my prop firm discounts, code 3. Code 3. THR33, all caps. So if you're looking to trade the instant accounts, like I mess with I mess with GoFundMe futures, and I trade Alpha Cap, and I also trade Alpha Futures, Lucid, all of them in my live account. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Y'all boy, like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Peace. Follow your boy on Instagram and follow your boy on YouTube. If you come from Instagram, follow your boy on YouTube. If you come from YouTube, follow your boy on that gram, man. That's why I'm more active at. That's why we run it up like I'm some little baby type shit. You feel me? Like type shit. But I'm gone, y'all.